Across our planet, animals are constantly on the move. They journey across vast plains, soar through the skies, and swim across oceans. Many animals don't travel alone, they travel in groups. These groups can be big or small, from a few animals to thousands. Seeing a herd of animals on the move is an amazing sight. Imagine a sea of wildebeest thundering across the African plains, or a flock of geese flying in perfect formation overhead. These animals are not just traveling together, they depend on each other. Animals have different names for their groups depending on the species. A group of cows is called a herd. A group of wolves is called a pack. A group of birds is called a flock. Fish swim together in schools, while dolphins travel in pods. No matter the name, these groups are important for the animal's survival. Safety in numbers. Why do animals travel in groups? There are many reasons. One of the most important is safety. When animals stay together, they are less likely to be attacked by predators. A lone zebra is an easy target for a lion, but a whole herd of zebras can confuse a predator with their stripes and numbers. This makes it harder for the lion to single out one zebra to catch. Elephants are a great example of animals that travel in herds for protection. Elephant herds are led by the oldest and wisest female, called the matriarch. She remembers the best places to find food and water, especially during dry seasons. The matriarch also protects the young calves in the herd. When a predator threatens the herd, the adult elephants form a circle around the calves to keep them safe. Wolves are another animal that rely on group living for survival. Wolves are predators, and they hunt together in packs. Hunting in a pack allows them to take down much larger prey than they could alone. Wolves work together to surround their prey and take it down. This teamwork ensures that the whole pack has enough to eat. Birds are famous for their flocks. Have you ever seen a flock of geese flying overhead in a V formation? This formation makes flying easier for the birds. The bird at the front of the V breaks the wind, making it easier for the birds behind to fly. This saves energy for the whole flock, especially during long migrations. Living in a group has many benefits for animals, but it also has some challenges. One challenge is competition for food and resources. When many animals live together, they need to find enough food for everyone. Another challenge is the spread of disease. If one animal in a group gets sick, the disease can spread quickly to the others. Despite the challenges, living in groups is essential for the survival of many animals. It helps them stay safe, find food, raise their young, and defend their territory. For example, meerkats take turns watching for predators while the others search for food. This cooperation ensures the safety of the whole group. Animals often change their behavior and movement patterns with the seasons. In the winter, many animals migrate to warmer areas to find food and shelter. In the spring, animals return to their breeding grounds to raise their young. These seasonal movements are crucial for the survival of many species. In many animal groups, there are leaders who guide the group and make important decisions. For example, in a wolf pack, the alpha pair leads the pack and makes decisions about hunting and territory. In a herd of elephants, the matriarch leads the group and remembers the best places to find food and water. These leaders play a crucial role in the survival and success of their groups, using their experience and knowledge to navigate the challenges of their environments. Understanding the role of these leaders helps us appreciate the complex social dynamics within animal groups and the importance of cooperation and guidance. Communication is vital for the coordination and survival of animal groups. Animals use a variety of methods to communicate, including vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals. For example, bees perform a waggle dance to communicate the location of food sources to other members of the hive. Elephants use low-frequency rumbles that can travel long distances to stay in touch with each other. Birds sing complex songs to attract mates and mark their territory. These communication methods are not just fascinating, they are essential for the survival and efficiency of animal groups. Understanding these unique languages helps us appreciate the sophisticated ways in which animals interact with each other and their environment. Human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and climate change have a significant impact on animal herds. Habitat loss and fragmentation can disrupt migration routes and reduce the availability of food and water. As forests are cleared for agriculture or urban development, animals lose their homes and the resources they depend on. Climate change alters weather patterns, affecting the availability of food and water sources. These disruptions can lead to a decline in animal populations and even threaten entire species with extinction. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these animal groups and their habitats. By preserving natural landscapes and implementing sustainable practices, we can help ensure that these magnificent herds continue to thrive, maintaining the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Some of the most incredible animal migrations include the journey of the monarch butterflies, the great migration of wildebeest in Africa, and the long-distance travel of Arctic terns. These migrations are often thousands of miles long and require incredible endurance and navigation skills. Monarch butterflies travel up to 3,000 miles from North America to central Mexico, navigating using the sun and the Earth's magnetic field. The Great Migration of Wildebeest involves over 1 million animals moving across the Serengeti and Masai Mara in search of greener pastures, a journey fraught with danger from predators and treacherous river crossings. Arctic terns hold the record for the longest migration, traveling from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again, covering up to 44,000 miles in a single year. These awe-inspiring journeys showcase the remarkable resilience and adaptability of animal groups, demonstrating the lengths they will go to ensure their survival and the continuation of their species. Animal groups often have complex social structures with different roles and hierarchies. For example, in a meerkat group, there are dominant individuals who lead the group and subordinate individuals who help with tasks such as babysitting and foraging. Understanding these social structures helps us learn more about animal behavior. These intricate social dynamics can be observed across various species. In elephant herds, matriarchs lead the group, guiding them to water sources and teaching the younger members essential survival skills. In wolf packs, there is a clear alpha pair that leads the hunt and maintains order within the group. Even in bird flocks, there are often leaders who navigate and set the pace for the journey. By studying these social structures, scientists gain insights into the communication, cooperation, and survival strategies that have evolved over millennia. This knowledge not only deepens our appreciation for the natural world, but also informs conservation efforts, helping us protect these remarkable communities and the ecosystems they inhabit. Living in groups provides many benefits for animals, including increased protection from predators, more efficient foraging, and better care for young. Group living also allows animals to share information and learn from each other, which can improve their chances of survival. In a herd of zebras, the collective vigilance of many eyes helps detect predators early, giving the group a better chance to escape. Fish schools move in perfect synchrony, confusing predators and reducing the likelihood of any single fish being caught. In primate troops, young members learn crucial skills by observing and mimicking older individuals, ensuring the knowledge of survival is passed down through generations. These benefits highlight the advantages of communal living and underscore the importance of social bonds in the animal kingdom. By understanding these dynamics, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate tapestry of life and the evolutionary strategies animals have developed to thrive together. While there are many benefits to living in groups, animal herds also face challenges such as competition for resources, disease transmission, and conflicts within the group. In large herds of wildebeest, for example, the struggle for food can become intense, especially during dry seasons when resources are scarce. Disease can spread rapidly in densely packed groups, affecting both the young and the old. Conflicts within the group can arise over dominance, mating rights, and territory, leading to injuries and stress. Understanding these challenges helps us appreciate the resilience and adaptability of these animals. They have evolved complex behaviors and social structures to mitigate these issues, showcasing the delicate balance of survival in the animal kingdom. The future of animal herds depends on our ability to protect their habitats and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Conservation efforts such as protected areas, wildlife corridors, and sustainable land use practices are essential to ensure the survival of these incredible animal groups. By safeguarding the environments they rely on, we can help maintain the intricate balance of nature and preserve the beauty and diversity of life on Earth for future generations. The sight and sound of animal herds is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. These groups, with their complex social structures and behaviors, are a vital part of the natural world. By learning about and appreciating these animal groups, we can better understand and protect the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.